In today's video, I am going to teach you how to apply a coupon to a subscription in Stripe. To begin, sign into your Stripe dashboard and go to the billing section. From there, open Subscriptions. This area shows all of the active and past subscriptions in your account. Find the subscription that you want to discount, and click to open it. Once the subscription details page is open, review the current plan and customer information to make sure you have selected the correct subscription. This is important before making any billing changes. When you are ready, go to the Actions menu and choose Update Subscription. This will open the settings where you can make changes to that subscription. Inside the Update screen, look for the option to add a coupon. Click Add Coupon to continue. Stripe will then give you a drop-down menu where you can choose the discount you want to apply. Depending on how your account is set up, you may see either a coupon or a promotion code. Select the one that matches the discount you want to use for this customer. After choosing the correct coupon or promotion code, review the update carefully. This helps you confirm that the right discount is being added to the right subscription. When everything looks correct, click Submit to apply the discount. Stripe will save the update and attach the coupon to the subscription. After that, it is a good idea to confirm that the discount was applied successfully. You can do this by checking the subscription details page. Look for the discount information in the subscription summary. You can also review the upcoming invoice to see how the coupon affects future charges. This is helpful for confirming the billing amount, especially if the discount only applies for a limited time or changes the total on the next renewal. If the discount appears in the subscription details or on the upcoming invoice, then the coupon has been applied successfully. At that point, the subscription is updated and the customer will receive the adjusted pricing based on the coupon settings in Stripe. That covers everything you need to know.